There are a lot of cool and useful gadgets coming out of China that don't cost much at all. I have listed the best 20 Chinese gadgets you can get super cheap, and they can be really handy for everyday use. Some are practical, some are fun, and all of them are very budget friendly. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Lux Jetbook Light. Featuring 3 color modes, warm yellow, warm white, and cool white, with stepless dimming, this neck light offers personalized illumination. Each light has an individual switch for easy adjustment. Powered by a 1000 mAh rechargeable battery, it provides up to 80 hours of use and charges fully in 2-4 hours via USB-C. Weighing only 114 grams, it's comfortable and portable, ideal for reading, knitting, crafting, or traveling. A thoughtful gift for various occasions. Size-Endure Bubble Machine. Crafted from durable ABS material with CPC Toy Safety certification, this bubble machine produces over 18,000 big bubbles per minute using 6 spinning wands and 2 speed levels. Its 320 ml capacity allows for 30+ minutes of continuous use, ensuring uninterrupted fun. Perfect for parties, weddings, and outdoor activities, it creates a magical atmosphere for kids and pets alike. Flagus Magnetic Rotating Globe. Equipped with touch control for 4 lighting modes, this globe and base can be illuminated separately or together. The high-precision electronic control system ensures smooth magnetic levitation, allowing the globe to float and rotate in mid-air. Made from durable ABS material with clear graphics, it's an elegant decoration for homes, offices, or classrooms, and can also serve as a night light. Acacia Wood Cheeseboard. Made from premium acacia wood, this 9.4-inch diameter, 1.3-inch thick cheese board features a rotating design for easy access to treats. It includes 4 stainless steel knives stored in designated slots beneath the board. Ideal for serving cheeses, meats, fruits, and more, it adds elegance to any gathering and makes a perfect gift for various occasions. Linkine Smart Solar Spotlight. Utilizing MPPT technology, this spotlight improves charging efficiency by up to 23.5%, providing up to 14 hours of continuous lighting. Controlled via the HOYA app or voice commands through Alexa or Google Home, it offers music sync and customizable light shows. With timer and schedule support, it ensures your outdoor spaces are beautifully lit when needed. Gladico Handmade Desk Organizer. This multifunctional docking station organizes your essentials, phone, tablet, keys, wallet, watch, and glasses, in one place. Handcrafted from 100% natural solid wood with a smooth finish, it complements both classic and modern interiors. Easy to assemble, it's a practical gift for men on birthdays, anniversaries, or holidays, enhancing workspace efficiency and aesthetics. Sharper Imageled Light-Up Word Clock. With a sleek silver finish and compact design, this clock displays time through illuminated words in 5-minute increments. Powered via USB, it features intuitive advance and reverse buttons for easy time setting. A unique blend of function and style, it serves as both a timepiece and a conversation starter in any modern space. Minimalist Table Lamp. Combining a LED lamp and Bluetooth speaker, this rechargeable lamp features a 1200 mAh battery for up to 6 hours of use. Its unique flexible filament design adds a stylish touch, while touch controls allow for easy brightness adjustment. Portable with a built-in hook, it's perfect for creating ambience wherever needed. Use Foil Shaver Set. Compact and travel-friendly, this mini foil shaver features an alloy body with a magnetic head for easy cleaning. IPX7 waterproof, it supports both wet and dry shaving. The 700 mAh battery offers up to 60 minutes of cordless use, with dual-speed settings for a customized shave. A safety travel lock prevents accidental activation. Paby Zen Garden Kit. This 14-piece set includes a black wooden tray, white quartz sand, stacking stones, succulents, bonsai and cherry blossom trees, a pagoda, bridge, and 5 meditation accessories. Crafted from high-quality materials, it's designed for relaxation and stress relief. Perfect for home or office decor, it brings the serenity of Japanese Zen gardens to your space. Groch Milano Mocha Pot. 6-cup stovetop espresso maker made of food-grade anodized aluminum creates rich, barista-quality coffee at home. Suitable for gas, electric, and propane stoves, it also works with glass induction tops. Featuring a premium silicone gasket and an Italian safety valve, this manual percolator is easy to use and ensures safe pressure release. A larger handle with a burn guard prevents finger burns, while its versatile design lets you make lattes or cappuccinos using frothed milk. HOYA's Cordless Electric Can Opener. Cordless and compact, this electric can opener comes with pre-installed AA batteries for instant use. Its smooth-edged blades eliminate sharp lids, and the magnetic base secures cans while cutting. Ideal for seniors or users with limited hand strength, it operates with one button and auto shuts off to conserve battery. Compatible with 99% of standard cans, the rust-resistant blade and portable design make it perfect for everyday use, camping, or power outages. Sealand Digital Alarm Clock. Mirror surface digital clock functions as a timepiece and makeup mirror, staying clean with just a quick wipe. The silent mechanism supports a restful night's sleep, while a luminous display ensures visibility in the dark without needing to switch on lights. Adjustable to 3 brightness levels, it adapts automatically to the room's light. Dual USB ports allow simultaneous charging of devices, and the memory function retains settings even after power outages, ideal for both functionality and style. Tinada Gnocchi Board. Designed for single-hand use, this gnocchi board streamlines pasta making, offering a larger 7.8-inch surface for effortless rolling. Crafted from premium beechwood, it delivers durability and a natural, safe finish perfect for consistent gnocchi shapes. Whether preparing traditional Italian dishes or exploring homemade pasta, this tool enhances the cooking experience. Its elegant appearance also makes it an excellent gift choice for food lovers, housewarmings, or culinary enthusiasts who enjoy hands-on kitchen creations. BlueFree Floating Pool Speakers. Waterproof and floatable, this Bluetooth speaker delivers vibrant audio even while submerged for up to 30 minutes. Designed for pools, hot tubs, and spas, it features 7 color-changing light modes for a fun atmosphere. Built-in Bluetooth pairs easily with devices up to 15 meters away, and the microphone allows hands-free calls without missing a beat. Producing 360 degrees surround sound, it offers loud, crisp audio, making it the ideal companion for both indoor and outdoor leisure. Linkine Photo Printer. Bluetooth 5.0 enabled, this mini photo printer offers easy, wireless printing from iOS and Android devices without needing Wi-Fi. Compact and portable, it's ideal for trips or parties, quickly printing 2x3 photos on the go. Using zinc inkless technology, it creates vibrant, smudge-resistant prints with excellent detail that last up to 10 years. Equipped with a sliding paper cover and Type-C charging, it delivers up to 30 prints per charge, simplifying photo sharing anytime, anywhere. Dash Egg Bite Maker. Quickly create up to 9 sous vide-style egg bites in under 10 minutes with this compact and lightweight appliance. Designed for family breakfasts and meal prepping, it caters to various diets like keto, paleo, and vegetarian. Simply fill the included silicone molds, cook, and enjoy high-protein bites with minimal effort. Versatile enough to make mini cheesecakes or custards too, this user-friendly tool delivers fast, healthy results without sacrificing flavor or texture. Paby Cold Brew Coffee Maker. With a 1-gallon capacity, this cold brew maker fits neatly on refrigerator shelves and brews multiple servings at once. It includes a stainless steel fine mesh filter for smooth coffee and a plastic infuser ideal for fruit drinks. A front-facing leak-proof spigot ensures easy, mess-free pouring without lifting the jug. Perfect for cold brew, tea, or infused beverages, this durable pitcher offers a cost-effective way to enjoy cafe-style drinks from the comfort of home. Kimoi Kids Chopsticks. Crafted from durable ABS and soft silicone, these kid-friendly chopsticks promote safe, hygienic dining. The playful tiger and elephant designs spark children's interest in mealtime while teaching proper chopstick technique. Comfortable finger rings ensure a gentle learning curve for beginners, making the transition fun and intuitive. Complete with a portable storage box, these training chopsticks are perfect for home use or dining out, keeping utensils clean and ready for use anytime. Fukuda Electric Candle Lighter. Windproof and odorless, this electric lighter uses plasma arc technology for flameless ignition in any weather. Its efficient USB rechargeable design eliminates the need for fuel refills, and the built-in battery indicator shows when charging is needed. A double safety switch and 7-second auto shut-off ensure safe use, making it ideal for lighting candles, stoves, or fireworks. Compact and portable, it's a cleaner, safer alternative to traditional lighters, perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Who says cutting-edge tech has to come with a hefty price tag? These 20 Chinese gadgets prove that innovation and affordability can go hand in hand. From quirky tools to practical game changers, you can upgrade your everyday life without breaking the bank. Want to snag these awesome finds for yourself? Check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow deal hunters, and hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content, tips, and reviews.